Solar Roof is a product name of something that Tesla offers. They announced it in 2018 or 19, and it's a product that basically integrates the solar cells into the roof itself. So in the industry, we call it building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV, and Tesla has done a really great job of taking a product that someone has tried before multiple times and failed, and now they've made it on the third version, and now they're rolling it out in fairly high numbers now. In mid 2020, they reached out to my company, Alternative Energy Southeast, and asked if we would like to be one of the companies that pilots the solar roof, and we said, yeah, that sounds great. They did give us fair warning that it's still in development and the whole process is in development rather than the product. And it was definitely true, and it's definitely a very high-tech product. It has to be custom tailored to every roof. So part of the process is measuring the roof exactly, every facet, every angle, and then we send that to Tesla, and they will design a graphical layout of the roof, basically a building plan that we can then take and install the product with. So it's really great. It's a great way, especially if you need a new roof, to get your new roof. This product has a 25-year leak-free guarantee, and you also get the federal tax credit that's available for solar power against the cost of it. It is a premium product though, so it's definitely in the price range of getting like a tile or a slate or a cedar shake roof and then adding solar to that. So it's very great looking. I was impressed though. I mean, even the pictures don't really do it justice. To see it in person is really a sight to see. Yes, solar roof can definitely power a house. It's going to produce energy when the sun is shining, and if you have storage, a battery, then any excess that's not used by the house, if you're not there during the day and it's producing at that time, then the excess has to go somewhere. So it can either go to a battery or it can go to the power grid. If it goes to the grid, it's going to depend on what your power company's net metering policy is. What is going to depend on how they compensate you. But if you have a battery, that doesn't really even matter because you can store that. You can then use it at night, and then if the power goes out from the grid, you can rely on the battery and the solar. So it's essentially like having, I like to say, it's like having a generator that runs on sunshine. You don't ever have to fill the tank up. But yeah, it can definitely power the house. It's amazing how much energy there is in sunlight and how much power is just sitting there on your roof waiting to be tapped into. Well, there's really two different products. Solar roof might be something you want to look into if you're in the premium roof market. If you're already thinking about doing a tile or a cedar shake or a slate roof, and you're also thinking about doing solar roof is definitely the right product for you. Conventional solar panels are sometimes given a bad name because of how people have seen them look in the past, or maybe they've seen some poor installations of them where they don't really fit the roof well. But we always keep that in mind at AES. We try to do clean blocks. We use triple black panels so they look like just a flat screen TV basically, and we position them with space around them so that there's walking room for firemen, and it's just a cleaner look. And yeah, so the solar roof again is a premium product, but conventional solar is going to be less expensive way to go solar. So the way it works with solar panels and solar roof with snow is the sun will will melt the bottom layer of the snow that's actually in contact with the roof surface or with the solar cells. Because when the solar cells get a little bit of light, they generate electricity, which also generates heat as it moves through the circuit. And so that bottom layer of snow will melt as soon as you get a little bit of sun on them, and it just magically slides off. So the part of your roof that has solar panels on it, you'll see clears itself of snow as soon as the sun comes out.